Improving uptime, productivity and reducing waste is a key goal within agribusiness and food production. A lot of businesses are operating with older, outdated technology that needs modernising. We wanted to explore the Internet of Things to see what it could do to help us with our digital transformation.
Rayven is an IoT and AI solution delivery platform designed to be hyper-flexible and quick to deploy so that industrial businesses can take advantage of their real-time data by better monitoring, managing and optimising their assets and operations. We've been developing IoT efficiency solutions for the food and beverage manufacturing industry as well as other sectors, including anything with asset management and utilisation, such as the agricultural industry, building management and even construction and infrastructure. Lots of our solutions relate to energy, water and resource management.
As part of our transformation initiatives, we identified the need to be able to gather real-time metrics of what's actually happening on the production floor. Over the years, we've had a lot of success in identifying the causes of major downtime events, but found it increasingly difficult to find out the causes behind the high-frequency, short-duration stoppages that were affecting our production output and ultimately our production plan.
When it came to the process that we went through to create the solution, the engineering management team here identified potential improvements after a thorough review. So we met with Rayven to explore options.
We were introduced to Riverina Fresh through Bridge Hub, who promote innovations and technology of importance to agri-food businesses in Australia. We collaborated with John and the team at Riverina Fresh to create a solution that seamlessly integrates with their existing infrastructure to give them the benefits of IoT and real-time insights without disrupting their existing operations.
It was really important for us that whatever got put in not only provided us with what we needed, such as real-time calculations and dashboards, but in order to get there, it didn't mean that we had to tear up our bottling floor and what's working now, which would have cost a lot of money, involved a lot of downtime and vastly increased risk.
That's the way we like to work. We start with the customer need, the problem they're trying to solve, and then design a solution that delivers on that need and rapidly deploy a low-cost pilot to test the hypothesis and prove the business case. With Riverina Fresh, once the pilot was up and running, we worked with John and the team to continue optimizing the solution, adding new calculations and functionality to drive up the value to the business.
Monitoring production outputs and downtime has become increasingly critical with ever-increasing volumes in production, and this has led us to explore what we could do with IoT with Rayven.
We see it as a key part of our digital transformation. Beyond aggregating real-time and historical data from different machines and production lines into a single dashboard, we've integrated our SCADA solution and now have live saleable volume measures, as well as diagnostic metrics on critical machinery, meaning we've been able to put in place a predictive and preventative maintenance regime on our key machinery, increasing uptime, output and utilisation. The key achievements and benefits derived from the solution include increasing our runtime and throughput, with an additional gain expected as the team use the new metrics to track and improve changeover between products. We're also future fit and excited to see what else we can do both internally and with the Rayven platform to further improve our operations and results.
We're thrilled with what we've been able to deliver to Riverina Fresh in terms of minimising time to value and getting the solution into the production environment as quickly as possible. And we're excited to continue working with them to make sure the solution improves moving forwards.
As for what comes next, our transformation journey continues, and we want to build on the solution to further improve our operations, particularly information flows and analytical capabilities.
Industrial IoT can be really complex and very expensive. At Rayven, we make it much easier and more affordable to get started, to realise that potential within the organisation by minimising risk and delivering meaningful outcomes as quickly as possible.